Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. I'm just right at my sink here, guys. No fancy nothing today. All right, now I'm gonna make some prickly pear, some cactus fruit juice or smoothie. All right, and it's gonna be with some Irish moss. Oh, lots of antioxidants, superfood powerhouse right here, guys. Super healthy. All right, guys, so basically this is the prickly pear, the cactus fruit, packed with lots of antioxidant, lots of health benefits. And this is the skin. I just pare it, cut it in few pieces. It has some small seeds in it, so I'm gonna strain it. All right, if you want, but I'm gonna strain it, and I cut it in little pieces. All right, I'm gonna do a little taste test. I'm gonna taste a little piece. So good, so refreshing. Tastes amazing. All right, now we're gonna blend up all this part, and then I'm gonna add my Irish moss. So I'm gonna add the prickly pear, and you can, I think they have them in different colors. The last time I did it in the green. I'm gonna add that to my little blender, and I'm gonna add some ginger. Oh, it's so good with ginger, guys. Squeeze a little bit of lime juice. You can use lemon, and after I'm gonna sweeten it with a little bit of honey. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, about a cup or a cup and a half, and I'm gonna blend this. All right, let's strain this bad boy. And that's what you get. I'm gonna add some Irish moss, about a big tablespoon. And I'm gonna add the cactus juice back. All right, guys, the power went out, guys, but anyhow, I'm back, and this is the honey, and I'm gonna put a little tip. It's optional, you don't have to put any honey. I'm just gonna put a little bit, and then I'm gonna blend it. At this time you can add some crushed ice, but I'm just gonna blend this. Look at that goodness. I'm gonna serve up some. All right, guys, I decided to sit out back, and I'm gonna pour some in. All right, enough for one glass. Woohoo! I'm just gonna put a straw, and I have some fresh mint. All right, guys, that's it. That's my refreshing prickly pear, Irish moss, sea moss fruit juice or smoothie. Bye, guys. You have a good day.